Come, let's go. Come. Come. No. Let's go. It's 37 degrees. 29th of March. Sunrise is at 6:17. Sunset's at 6:57. I don't have the high-res camera this morning. Can't hold an umbrella, the leash, and the camera. So it's been raining all day yesterday. It's gonna rain all day today. They're saying up to 3 inches of rain. I'll try and get a snapshot of my weather station's rain gauge. Hopefully Flynn does the deed quickly. Quickly, we don't have to go up into the muddy road, but I have a feeling that's going to be not an option. Just saw a squirrel running across there. Post office not deliver mail anymore. They put us on hold because of the mud situation. The last time they tried, they got stuck. So I have no problem with that. Kevin White moved my mailbox last year because he wanted his driveway where the mailbox was. So he was supposed to have Tom Linscott put in a bunch of gravel to prevent mud, but that didn't happen. And Tom did his driveway, but he's coming back this year to dress things up, and I guess that's going to be part of dressing things up. The flag untangled itself. Which way? Which way, bud? Want to go south? Flynn? Go south, come. Come. There's a wind there. It's a Friday. It's Good Friday. Day we celebrate. We'll remember Jesus being crucified. Tough going there, bud, huh? I looked at a Stihl, S-T-I-H-L, power broom yesterday. I have the power header ready for my brush cutter, and I'm figuring the power broom would be good for getting the rocks out of the grass here. I watched a couple of videos, and that's what the guy used it for, cleaning up after plows. He's a landscaper. Problem is the broom attachment itself is $354 without tax. I'm sure Flynn's getting muddy, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I just realized it was what, 29 years ago, Wednesday, my dad passed away. 26th of March, 1995. The 90s were bad. Actually, started in 87 when my brother passed away. Half brother. His dad was killed in World War II in the Pacific conflict. Flynn, where are we going? Where are we going? He died in 87. My sister died in 93. My dad in 95. My mom in 98. So, 11 years. Lose 4 people in your family. Flynn. Come. Flynn. Let's go in the house. In the house. In the house, come on. Good boy. I can only wear the Home Depot gloves with the nitrile extra gloves on the outside, but too cold. So I got a pair of Kinkos on. Let's go. I hear a vehicle. Come. Hopefully it doesn't flash me. I think he stops. Good. Let's go. Come. Stop. Get back in it. I turned down my driveway. What the fuck? Alright, you still can't turn. I just sit up around here. Let's go. Well, that was different. Let's go. Sorry about the language. I'll try to bleep that out. Not used to holding an umbrella. I haven't really used them since 95. Maybe 99. I worked on Lower Manhattan, New York. What a shithole the place is. Right here again with the language, excuse me. I don't know how anybody lives in New York. I understand working there, but living there, not for me. It's sore on the the news the other evening. New York City's going to have a congestion tax if you drive your vehicle in the city. They're going to charge you $15 a day. So if you drive into work 20 days a month, that's $300 they're going to charge you. Enough of that. Let them out of there. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll get Flynn dried off. I'll have to get that down in the basement. Thanks for watching.